There's a fish. There's a fish. Come on now. I made sure I set the hook better this time.
You let him swallow it?
Hey, that's a big quad. Look at that guy.
Quad, that's a really
Yeah. So he was on the bottom on this worm with a weight, probably 5 foot away. So, and it's a pretty steep, so really, really slow retrieve. First fish of the day, guys. We're on Lake Travis. It is mid-December. Front coming. It's warm right now in the 70s. Water temp's 68. We're fishing Bluff Walls. We got a special guest, Phil, in the background. Let's hope he catches at least one fish. So, anyway, nice squad, nice start to the day. Get back in the water, buddy.
His markings are a little darker than.
Yeah,
I don't know if that's the time of year or.
Well, what I read about that is that if a fish is super dark colored, that means they've been in the shallow water of the sun. Mm-hmm. And if they're really pale, that means they've been in deep water. Huh. I don't. I'm assuming that's true, and it makes perfect sense, you know.
Usually, reproductive, something like that. Sterilize.
Oh, missed that one. Hell yeah. You do?
Yeah,
Phil's hooked up. Was it up there by the shoreline?
it was, and it wasn't deep.
Oh, that's a nice little. Oh, it's a big old panfish. Look at that dude. That's a big one.
That's a pretty bluegill.
Look at him. Say hi to the camera, big bluegill. That's a nice bluegill. Yep. Well, the lake right now is 18 feet. Oh, there's a fish. 18 feet below normal.
Is that on that worm thing?
Oh! He counts. Look, I got him in the boat. One of my homemade swim baits. Did you see him come off right when I lifted him up? Oh, because if he'd have fallen in the water, he wouldn't have counted.
That would be fun.
A pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds. There we go, number 3. Nice. Put him on this, the homemade swim jig I made. On the homemade swim jig. Back in the water. Sploosh. How big is this boat? Is it the whole boat, do you think? Because look at those masts, they're massive. They even got some of the canvas still on them. Yikes. He's gonna leave some big wake. Look at him. Look at these wakes coming. Wake for it. It's a little much. That dude could trim it down a little bit. Doop-a-doop. Oh, there's a fish right by the boat. I saw it. Come up and get it. Right by the boat. It went whoosh. I was fixing to lift my lure out of the water. I don't think the camera caught it, but.
Wow, that's a nice one.
Decent little fish.
That's a couple of pounds there.
He just came out of nowhere. Well, out of the water, but. Yeah, this is a bigger fish than the other one.
On your homemade lure again?
Nope, on this one swim bait I bought. All right. Fish number 4. He's nice. Get back in the water. There's a fish. Small one, but it's a fish on a crankbait that time. Fifth fish. And this proves what I've been saying. They're just coming up swiping at it. Look, he's not even hooked in the mouth.
Yeah.
They're just coming up swiping at the lures. Still keeps, still counts though. We might have finally got a pattern. 3 fish, shallow water, fast moving baits. That one was caught on a crankbait. So anyway, number 5. Now it's Phil's turn. Boop. Oh, that's a fish on that lure I just put on. That big one with all the. Look at this guy. Look at him. Nice. He's not that big. He felt bigger than that.
Probably because of that rigging. But that's
yeah.
Pretty good size.
That's a 3-pound, 4-pound fish.
Maybe.
He is hooked in the mouth too, and in the side. Nice fish. And this lure works.
Yeah, sure did.
Well, he got double hooked. He got hooked in the side. I thought he was bigger than this.
That's pretty big though.
But he's a nice fish. This lure's way too big for out here. But it wasn't. Oh. Anyway, fish number
14.
6 total between the two of us. Nice. On the new lure. Excellent. Back in the water. Fishy, fishy. There's one. He feels a little nicer. I mean, he's not huge, but. Oh, that's another big guad. Look at him.
Oh, that's a guad.
Yep.
Wow.
Just swimming that swim jig, just right along. A little bit faster than I would normally fish it. Oh, yeah, they're hammering it too. When they bite, they're biting hard. You know what I mean? They're not just. Well, I guess that's number 7. We for sure got a video. Number 7 took us forever, but we finally found a pattern. Now it's Phil's turn to finally catch a fish. Get back in the water, you will. So we had a challenging day, but ended up catching 7 fish, including a decent, about a 4-pounder. Caught our first fish on an Alabama rig, and Phil didn't fall in the water. So all in all, a good day. So see you on the next one.